Hey guys, welcome to Learn Web API in 7 days course. In this video we are going to see how we can install SQL Server Express 2014. So for that, first we need to go to SQL Server Express download center on the Microsoft website, and then we can download SQL Server Express 2014, and then we can do the installation. So just open a browser window and type here download SQL Server Express 2014, hit enter, and then there are several links out here. We need to go to Microsoft website. Here we just opened it, and then you can see here we have this Microsoft SQL Server 2014 Express version, and then we can choose what language we want. We can choose as per our requirement here, and then once you have chosen the language, then you can just hit download, and when you will click on download, then these options will come. So here you can see what version of SQL Server you want. We have 32-bit and 64-bit version, so depending upon the operating system you are using, you can download accordingly. So I'm using Windows 64-bit, so I'll be downloading this one, and I just selected the 64 version of SQL Express and say next, and once I click next, the download has started. Once this download gets complete, I can install it. For installation, we can choose various options that will come up in the installation wizard. So well, couple of things to note down here is you should use either SQL Server authentication, or you can use mixed mode, so that way you can use both type of authentications to easily connect to SQL Server. So once that is done, and then you need to select several other options also, and once that is done, then SQL Server installation will be complete on your machine. Now once the installation is complete on your machine, the good thing about SQL Server Express is you can use it from Visual Studio. So you can see here I have this Server Explorer, and I have all the SQL servers here, all the database servers here. Okay, so and so since SQL Server Express does not come with Management Studio, so we can use Visual Studio for that. So we can create a connection here to our SQL Server Express, and then we can create tables, and whatever we want to do, we can do it from here. So that's how you can do installation on your machine for SQL Server Express. This SQL Server Express will be required in coming videos, because we will be doing CRUD operations with entity framework, so you will need this database. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in next lecture.